As soon as we woke up, went to this wee cafe. It was so hippie, it was cool. I was up at the bar paying the bill. I turned round and there's Nicole like that.
A bit into my roll and I was thinking, what a good wee cafe. Let's put extra cashew nuts in my roll.
So I ran over, I was like, everyone alright, what's happening? And she was like, my tooth fell out.
5 minutes later, I realised that I had chewed and swallowed my own tooth. So obviously by that point I was distraught, hyperventilating, crying, couldn't believe my eyes. Got back to the room, calmed down a bit and decided that worse things have happened to people.
That was just the beginning. So we came back to the beach, went into the sea. What happens?
Just lying there, having a wee pineapple juice. Asked Johnny if he wanted to go into the sea. Walked in, big wave comes, knocks me over.
Nicole, like a big giraffe, as soon as she goes into the water.
Fell of Mars, bum cheeks bleeding, all grazed. Headed back to the room, decided I'd had enough. And I was going home to Foxbar.
Johnny, this isn't a life matter. I'm injured abroad. Get me an air ambulance.
So the rest of the day we just chilled, walked along the beach. Really looking forward to tomorrow though. Tomorrow we're going, what are we doing? We're doing a wee boat trip through like mangroves, there's crocodiles, elephants. I can't wait man, that'll be class. First thing in the morning, I'm going to go get myself a surfboard. Right now, just a chillin'.
Nothing helps a scraped arse and a chipped tooth better than a nice cup of tea and a bit of chocolate cake.
Today's going to be a good day. Hey, finally, I'm watertight.
Right, tight all right.
For you who have had to endure the grueling moaning of me about my shoulder, no, I can't do that because my shoulder. Mate, how can I do that? Not anymore. John Boy's watertight. Yes! So I woke up this morning and the last part of the puzzle had fallen off. Tiny little bit of scab that it's only took about 3 months to heal, close up. Finally closed up. Yeah, beauty. So, I'm going to celebrate in style. I'm going to get myself a surfboard and throw myself into 2-metre waves. Test this baby out. For these next clips, please expect to see a lot of this, that, and a lot of this and that. Bear in mind I've only ever done this once before.
Well, and did you get on?
Falling with style. Rubbish.
have had an amazing day. First of all, we went surfing at a place called Peanut Point. Well, Jodie went surfing, Elaine, the sand, sunbathed. It's pretty good though, watching him trying to get up onto the surfboard, which he eventually kind of managed in the end. In the afternoon we went on a mangrove tour, so we were on a raft in crocodile infested waters, which was probably not the safest thing I've ever done in my life, but what an experience. I was just waiting on the crocodile, jumping out of the water and grabbing at my face. The best part about it was that we saw 2 wild elephants just kicking about their daily chores. There's so many orphanages here in Sri Lanka for elephants. Well, what they're kind of termed orphanages, but after looking into it quite a bit, they're not the nicest places behind the scenes. Apparently they've got to beat the elephants and things in order for them to kind of respond to human command, because elephants don't do that. Elephants are pretty dangerous when it comes to humans. So we chose not to visit any of the elephant orphanages. So we just managed to see them in the wild, which is so much nicer. But yeah, tomorrow we're off to, where are we going? Trincomalee, which is a bit further north but still on the east coast. So hopefully a bit quieter than Arugam Bay, so we can relax a bit more. This place is pretty jumping with tourists and the beach is a bit littered and stuff, so looking for something a bit more untouched this time. Good night!